Today, I'm going to introduce Eazybe's Chrome Extension to boost your WhatsApp web productivity. We'll talk about how you can use labels and funnels to manage your chats on WhatsApp, how you can use quick reply templates to send quick replies to your clients, how you can schedule messages. Then we'll talk about how you can use WhatsApp as a CRM. Lastly, we will check how you can use the AI feature to rephrase and properly word your sentences so that what you write is grammatically correct inside WhatsApp. So starting with the first thing, which is labels. So you can click on the plus icon and you can create any label that you want. The labels that you create can be divided into personal or shared. Similarly, you can also create some sublabels into this, and then you can click on the create option. You can also add some chats into this. So let's say I add this chat and save it. Now these are the chats that are added into the interest label. Every label that you newly create has a small drop-down next to it. Clicking on the drop-down, you can see the options available which are corresponding to that label, such as add contact to label mark as read edit. These are self-explanatory. Moreover, you see a label icon on each chat. This label icon allows you to manage the labels on every chat. So basically what you can do is if you click on this, you can manage whether this chat needs to go into which label. So let's say I want Eazybe to go into the interested label. I can click on this and I can say, select interested, and Eazybe has now come inside the interested label. So that's how the label and the funnel systems work. Moving on to quick replies, if you click on quick replies, you can click on a quick reply. Let's say I created a test quick reply. You can create these quick reply with variables such as name, your own name. You can add attachments to it, audios to it, and update it. And on just clicking one, you can see that the messages start going. Similarly, there is the schedule message feature. You can click on the schedule message over here and you can schedule a message at a specific time. You can also use recurring messages. So to send messages at a regular interval, let's say at a specific day, week, month or year, and you can schedule messages like quick replies. You can also use variables in this that allow you to send messages using variables. Now coming to using WhatsApp as a CRM. If you click on this, you can use these user profile feature such as name, priority, email. You can add more properties to this corresponding to your business. You can add address, PIN code, gender, whatever is corresponding to your business. You can add new properties and manage properties of your clients according to this requirement. Similarly, we have notes. You can create follow-up notes based on the conversations that you are having, and you can add reminders to this and create it. Similarly, you can create tasks with respect to a particular client. Similarly, you can create notes documents with respect to a particular chat. All of this is stored on the cloud, and you can access it anytime, anywhere. Lastly, we have an AI feature which allows you to create a properly worded sentence. For example, if I write something like hello, how are you? This is a sentence which has a lot of spelling mistakes. I can use the rephrase option in this and it has grammatically corrected this. And now I can send this. So AI allows you to grammatically correct whatever you have written. Just make sure that when you are speaking to a client, you sound properly worded.